Good morning. I will welcomes you in the network security paper. In the last class, we discussed about message authentication code, in which what happens, the plain text message is applied in a MAC algorithm that produces a MAC, that is the message authentication code, and this one is appended with this MAC code. Okay, this we have studied in the last class. I am recalling you. So this is MAC. Okay, fine. When this reaches to the receiver's end, the message, this message M is applied in the same MAC algorithm. Okay, the same MAC algorithm. Fine. So this produces again, what happens here? This again produces MAC, right? Now this MAC that has been received by the user is compared with this MAC, right? And now if this matches, it means the sender is an authentic sender, is a legal sender. Okay, fine. But what happens in this case? The message remains in the form of plain text. So confidentiality of the message is not maintained. Anybody can read the message. This is the problem with this MAC. Okay, fine. This message is still a plain text. This is plain text. This is still a plain text. This message, and this could be read by anybody. Say Oscar hacks this message. In that case, Oscar might read this message. So confidentiality is not maintained. And if Oscar, who is an adversary, makes any kind of change in this message, then what would happen? This MAC that is generated would differ from this MAC. And then the user can say that the message has not been sent by an authorized sender. So there is some change in this to make the message confidential. Okay, fine. So if we want to make the message confidential, if we want to maintain the confidentiality, in that case, say this is a message M, plain text message. This is plain text message. And from this plain text message, MAC algorithm. Okay, this plain text message is mapped into this MAC algorithm using a key K. Fine? Using a key K. Now, this produces a MAC code. Right? This produces a MAC code. Now, this MAC code is appended to the plain text message M. This message is appended to the plain text message. Now this entire message, plain text message along with the MAC. Okay? What happened? The message is mapped into a MAC algorithm using a key K. This converts this creates a MAC code. This MAC code is appended to the plain text message. Now, this message is encrypted here. This message is encrypted here, and then it is sent to, say this is K1. Now this is transmitted to the receiver. Now the entire message has been encrypted along with the MAC. This is encrypted message. Now this is sent to the receiver. Sorry. Now after receiving this message, what happens here? A decryption algorithm, decryption is done on this entire message. This produces using key K1. This produces the message M and a MAC code. Fine. Now this M is again mapped into the same MAC code as it is there. MAC algorithm, mapped into MAC algorithm that produces the MAC code. Okay, fine. Now this MAC is now compared this MAC is compared with this MAC. The MAC sent along with the message. Now if it matches, means authentication is done. Okay, authentication done. So again I am telling you what has differed from the previous MAC that we have studied in the last class. In the last class, this message M was general in the form of plain text. Anybody could read it. Now if we want to maintain the confidentiality of the message, in that case what do? The message is mapped into a MAC algorithm using a key K, producing a MAC code that is appended to this message M. Now the entire message is encrypted using key K1. Okay, and this message, encrypted message, is created. Okay, fine. Now this is sent to the receiver. This is sent to the receiver. Now the receiver, at the receiver send, what happens? Decryption is done on the entire message using the same key K1. Sorry, K1. Fine. This converts the message as it was here. Now this message is sent to the, mapped into the MAC algorithm. This produces the MAC code, and this MAC code is matched with the MAC code sent along with the message, and if it matches, then it means authentication is done, means the message is authentic one. So in this case, confidentiality is maintained. Now the second approach, it means what happens here? MAC is authentic MAC. Which one is the authenticator? MAC is the authenticator. So authenticator is appended to the plain text. Right? The MAC, that is the authenticator, is appended to the plain text. Okay? Now the another option we have is authenticator is appended to the cipher text. MAC is not appended to the plain text, rather MAC is appended to the cipher text. In this case what happened? The MAC was appended to the plain text. Now in the second case we would append the MAC code to the cipher text. It means this plain text is encrypted. This plain text is encrypted using a key K1. So this converts the plain text message into a cipher text. Okay. Now this message is EM, means encrypted message. Fine. This is the encrypted message. Now this encrypted message is mapped into MAC algorithm. Is the difference clear? In the previous approach, we mapped plain text into the MAC algorithm. Here what we are doing? We are not mapping the plain text into the MAC algorithm. Rather, first we encrypt the plain text message into the cipher text. And this cipher text is mapped into algorithm, MAC algorithm, using another key, that is K2. This one is secret. This key is secret. These keys are K1, K2, both are secret, known only to the sender as well as receiver. Now this produces a MAC code. This produces a MAC code. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to append this. We have to append this MAC code. Okay. Here we can append it. Now this appended message fine. This appended message is sent to the receiver. Fine. This appended message is sent to the receiver. Now what would happen? The reverse process would take place. Reverse process means this would be this part would be sent for decryption. Okay? This would enter into MAC algorithm. The entire message is first sent into MAC algorithm. Okay. Now this MAC algorithm, what would happen? This would produce the MAC code. This would produce the MAC code. Okay, this would produce the MAC code, and this particular part is again is sent for decryption. Here the key would be used as K2, right? And here the key would be used as K1, this one. Now this will convert the message into the plain text message. This is plain text message. Now the message that is appended, this this MAC would be now compared with this MAC code. Okay, this MAC code is compared with this MAC code, and if it matches, it means authentication has been done. Authentication done. Meaning thereby, the message has been sent by an authorized user. The message has been sent by an authorized user. Option में यहाँ use करेंगे. Okay. Now, if any adversary, any hacker changes even a single bit in this message, then what would happen? We won't get this MAC code. MAC code would differ, certainly would differ. It means either the message has not been sent by an authorized user, or the message has been hacked and was changed. Okay, so here in this case, the MAC code means authenticator. Authenticator is appended to ciphertext. Okay, I'm again repeating. क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? प्लेन टेक्स्ट है. इस प्लेन टेक्स्ट को हम लोग एक एन्क्रिप्शन एल्गोरिदम में डालते हैं यूजिंग अ सीक्रेट की K1. इससे क्या होता है? ये एन्क्रिप्टेड मैसेज में कन्वर्ट हो गया. अब इस एन्क्रिप्टेड मैसेज को हम लोग कहाँ डाल देते हैं? मैक एल्गोरिदम में. जब मैक एल्गोरिदम में डालेंगे तो मैक कोड यहाँ पर जनरेट होगा. अब इस मैक कोड को इस एन्क्रिप्टेड मैसेज में हम लोग अपेंड कर देते हैं. ओके, अब ये एन्क्रिप्टेड मैसेज यूजर को भेजा जाता है, रिसीवर को भेजा जाता है. ठीक है, ये अपेंडेड मैसेज ट्रैवल्स थ्रू द नेटवर्क चैनल, ट्रांसमिशन चैनल. जब ये रिसीवर एंड पर पहुंच जाता है, वहां पर क्या करते हैं हम लोग? इस मैसेज को फिर से हम लोग सिर्फ मैसेज ये डिक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस में जाता है यूजिंग द सेम की एज दिस वन. Okay, so this key is known to both sender as well as receiver. Okay, this converts the message back into the plain text. Now this entire message is mapped into MAC algorithm using the key K2. It is also known to sender as well as receiver. अब क्या होगा यहाँ पर? ये MAC कोड प्रोड्यूस करेगा. अब इस MAC कोड को जो मैसेज के साथ MAC आया है उससे कंपेयर करेंगे, और अगर मैसेज में किसी तरह का कोई चेंज नहीं किया गया तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैक कोड इस मैक कोड से क्या करेगा? मैच करेगा. ओके फाइन. तो इस तरह से इसमें भी क्या होगा? मैसेज कॉन्फिडेंशियल रहेगा और ऑथेंटिकेशन ये भी हो गया कि मैसेज हैज बीन सेंट बाय अ लीगल सेंडर. ठीक है, तो इसमें अभी और है तो उसको हम लोग फिर अगले क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. एक्चुअली ऑथेंटिकेशन हम लोग 3 तरीके से करते हैं. तो अभी ये एक तरीका हुआ. दूसरा तरीका हम लोग मैसेज एन्क्रिप्ट करेंगे और तीसरे में हैशिंग के थ्रू करेंगे. तो आज के लिए इतना. थैंक यू.